How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled due to suspicious activity. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix Snapchat's login temporarily disabled due to suspicious activity, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix, if you've been trying to log into Snapchat and it says that login has been temporarily disabled because they noticed some type of suspicious activity, it simply means that they have restricted your account. So how do you get away with the restriction? So let's say that your email and username is also correct, your password is also correct, you're 100% sure of it, but Snapchat is not letting you log in. In that case, the best way to do it is to simply wait for a couple of hours or at least 1 or 2 days, because it just said temporary. It's not a permanent block on your account, but it's just a temporary block that Snapchat is putting in order to avoid bot-like behaviors. But however, if you don't have time for that and then you're in a rush, you want to log in, you want to view the snaps, you want to share the snaps, in that case what you want to do is you can just try switching to cellular data. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, try switching to cellular data. If you don't have cellular data or mobile data and you only have Wi-Fi, in that case you can also try using a VPN instead. Now the reason I'm telling you to do this is because using a VPN or changing or switching your network will allow you to change the IP address, and as a result it is going to let Snapchat know that it is not the same person from the same IP address trying to log in repeatedly to that account, and you can trick Snapchat into thinking and giving access back into your account. So use a VPN or switch your network to see if that helps you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.